Hello everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix the privacy settings on TikTok in 2021. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, click the three dots in the top right corner, which is the menu, then go to privacy, which is the second option. Perfect. Here from the top, you can make your account entirely private with this enable, disable. Well, next up, you got suggest your account to others. You see here, suggest your account to contacts, Facebook friends, users with mutual connections, blah blah blah. You get the idea. If you want to go as private as you can, go ahead and disable all of this. Okay. Then sync contacts and Facebook friends. I have this disabled, and if you want to go as private as you can, you will want to have this disabled as well. Then if you go ahead and scroll a little bit, you have a following list. Who can see your following list? Everyone or only me? If you want to go ahead and be as private as you can, you tap on only me and select that. And so with each and every one of these, who can do it with your videos? Your friends or only you? Again, who can stitch your videos? Your friends or only you? Who can see your liked videos? Everyone or only you? Of course, if you want to be private, only you. And this is basically how you fix privacy settings on TikTok in 2021. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more useful content. Till next time.